In present world, programmers and developers are the modern-day architects. They are professionals in any one of the programming languages. But do you know, there's a new player in the game, one that can write its own code, solve complex problems in any programming language, and extend his boundaries infinitely. You might have heard about chatbots like ChatGPT or Google Bard, which we will cover in the next videos. In this video, we are going to know about an artificial intelligence-powered tool called BlackBox. BlackBox is still in its initial stages of development, but in these stages it is able to perform a variety of tasks. Previously, the complex tasks that once took days are now completed in minutes. Here are some use cases of it. Number 1. Code generation. BlackBox can generate code for you based on your instructions. You ask it to write code in any programming languages. It will do it for you. Number 2. Code completion. BlackBox AI can provide real-time code suggestions based on the context of your code. Consider, you are not able to write or complete a code. Just don't worry. Go to BlackBox and define him what do you want to do in the code, and say him to complete it. Number 3. Code refactoring. First, we need to understand, what is code refactoring? Refactoring is the process of restructuring the code while not changing its original functionality. Computer programmers and software developers refactor code to improve the design, structure, and implementation of software. BlackBox AI will also do this job for you. Number 4. Error detection. Sometimes, when you write a code and run it, it just doesn't run or indicates an error. You can just paste the code in BlackBox and it will detect and overcome the error. Number 5. Code review. BlackBox AI can review your code and suggest improvements. This can help you to improve the quality of your code and to make it more maintainable. Now we will go and give some commands to it. Go to your web browser. In the search bar, type this. Click on the first link. You can also click on Sign Up. This is the interface. Let's enter some commands here. As you see, it has provided me the output. Now let's give a different command. This is pure example of code generation. Now some code refactoring example. I will copy this code and paste it. Let's see, will it detect an error or not? This is it for this video.